Hi, on this video I will show you how to upgrade Vcenter server 6.5 from 6.5 to 6.7. So first of all, you will need go to VMware download page and then find the specific version which you like to install. I already downloaded. That's the VCSA U3O. So that's the newest one for 24 of November 2021. And I will try to install this version on my lab. Not sure if that will work from this desktop, but we will see. So you need to mount your installer to your drive, then go to VCSA UI installer, Win32, and then you've got the installer icon. Double click. As the few things you need to remember. As the fresh install, that's the upgrade, that's what we're looking for. That is the migrate, so you can migrate, for example, existing Vcenter. Oh, if you've got, for example, PSC or something like that, you can migrate on the Windows from Windows to appliance. Yeah, so as far as I know, 7.0 is only appliance based. So if you're still running some Windows servers with the vCenter on it, so you probably need to use this option. And the restore, one day I will show you how to restore from scratch if you get some backup files vCenter. So we go for upgrade. We try to upgrade our appliance. Instruction. Go for the first of this is two stage. Stage one is the deploy a clear appliance with this new version, and later next stage will be the import all the data. Okay, accept EULA. Go for next. FQDN source appliance. I'm pretty sure that is the. Let me check. That will be IP address. Your appliance. Your ASXi hosts. So we need to find out vCenter on which ASXi hosts sitting. So 101. So on my so 192.168.1.101. That's our source. Connect to source. We will see if that will works. Or maybe no. Okay, if that will fail, FQDN. Let me check this this information. I think that's maybe not source. Yes, that's only must be. Yes. Okay, so that's wrong. 100. That's our vCenter server. vCenter server. Not 10. Sorry. Again, my fault. That's the wrong subnetting. That will be failed again. Okay, again, version 6 must be a vCenter or PSC. Okay, so that will be 0. And now shit works. Okay, so that's our appliance FQDN or IP address. So that's our IP address, SSO. So that's your administration vSphere local. Remember root password. Also, you need to provide. S6 manager, appliance plan, FQDN, 6 hosts. Okay, so that's the host which our Vcenter server is running on. So 101, 168.0.101. Again, that's the username root. And yes, we will connect to it. Okay, S6 host Vcenter server name, appliance target. That will be 192.168. This is 101. That's our deploying target. I think we should go for 102, just because on this one we probably don't have enough resources. And root. Okay, connected. Vcenter server. VM name. Now I'm just confusing. Just provide the same name if that will not work, because I'm not sure if that will be double up this name. Okay, let's go through Tiny. We just go. Oh, I see. Even if you have Tiny option, I'd still need 300 gigabytes storage. Yeah. So for the lab is quite big. I add some extra data store just for this migration, 500 gigabytes, but it's quite big. So we go for Tiny. Of course, for the production, you probably go for small or medium, or if you have a quite big environment, you go for large or even more. Okay, big. We go for use this data store. We can enable Tane mode. Not just be for the production. I'm pretty sure I will need. I won't be. I don't use this option. Provide this. Okay, go for it. Okay, VM network. We keep it as it is. Temporary IP address. That's important. You need the temporary IP address for your appliance. Later on the last stage, your current appliance will be down and the new appliance will be take over the IP address. So 192.168.0.200. That's just temporary. Nobody use this IP address for on my network. A 24-bit mask, of course. Remember, default gate 1.0.1. And of course the DNS is, as far as I remember, 105. Let me check. DNS. Pretty sure that's 105. Yes, 105. So that should work. So the static and go for next. Now we just get some review. Source 100 enable. The source is the IP address of your PSC. So if you have an external PSC, you probably need to change this address for external PSC. I've got everything embedded, so it's not so difficult. Okay, IP address temporary. Okay, I think we go for finish. That should start deploying the appliance. I hope that will not getting me any errors. I will pause the video for now, and I will come back to you when we start doing the stage 2. Okay, so the stage 1 is finished, and now we just go for a next stage. So we just press continue, loading stage 2. Need to wait, and now we just go couple of options. Yeah, go next. And some pre-upgrade checks is in progress. It should not take so long, so we just wait. Basically, the appliance upgrade is not so difficult, I will say. The most important thing is double check if you're using some production environment, double check the versions uh, on special compatibility matrix if your vCenter server version is matched with the newest one. Okay, so we get some warnings here, but we try to continue. Okay, so I just go for a single configuration. Estimation downtime is 39 minutes, so we will not copy some historical data. So just go for next, next, and FQDN. That's all your review settings. Check backups. Okay, we need to double. Okay, make sure you've got the full backup, snapshot, etc. of your previous appliance, and then go for finish. Of course, that's the warning, so your original appliance on the last stage will be down. Okay, so now pause for video, and then I will continue afterwards. Okay, so stage 2 is completed now, and we need to just test if our vCenter server are deployed completely. So just close this one, copy link to vCenter. Of course, vSphere client HTML5, and then provide your administration vSphere lockout and password, then login. As you can see, the old vCenter server is shut down, and the new one is just marked as a 1. So probably later on you need to remove this one and rename the new one, and probably to rename all the vdisks you need to make some storage remotion to make sure all the names will be changed. So thank you.